Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Honda HR-V.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include cruise control, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.